How to use Sezzle Spend on Amazon. Open the Sezzle app on your phone and log in to your account. Go to the Sezzle Spend section from the app home screen. Tap on the option to create a virtual card for shopping. Choose the amount you want to spend on Amazon. Confirm the amount and wait for the virtual card details to appear. Copy the card number, expiration date, and security code from Sezzle. Open the Amazon app or website on your device. Add the items you want to buy to your shopping cart. Go to checkout once you are ready to place your order. Select the option to add a new payment method. Paste or type in the Sezzle virtual card details carefully. Check that the billing address matches your Sezzle account information. Review your order details before confirming the purchase. Complete the checkout and Sezzle will divide your payment into 4 parts over time. Thank you for watching.